What is Instagram green following button? If any day you are an Instagram user, you may see the Instagram green following button and you may be confused at what exactly it is. In order to show that, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application like this. After you tap on the Instagram application, you can see that Instagram is launched on your mobile device. After that, you can tap on any of the account. Now, normally, when you tap on any of the account that is following you, you can see the option of following in this very black and white option. But what may happen is that to any of the other person like this, you can see the very option of following in the very green button there, and you may be confused that what exactly it is. If any day you see the very option of the green following button like this and you are confused on what exactly it is, now let me explain you about that. The very green following button shows that the very person is your close friend, because in the very Instagram there is the option to make the person there in the very close friend option. So if any of the friend there is on your close friend option like this, the person will be shown in the green option by following. So this is the method there and how you can put your very friend in the close friend list, and this way if it is in close friend list, it will show it in the very green option. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.